Good morning. Today we are going to solve a complete question based on receipt and payment account and additional information. I have tried to explain the entire thing and to cover the entire thing so just you can understand it clearly. The question is given here, you can see, and we have been asked to prepare income and expenditure account, and two things I have added here to prepare opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet as well. And it is a current year question. So you can see the receipt and payment account is given here. Opening balance VD 2000, subscriptions for 2017-18 1200 rupees. Eighteen 19, $49,200, 1920, 2,300, sale of old newspaper, donation, interest on investment, salaries, printing stationery, furniture, 9% investment, and balance sheet is 16,850. Here adjustment is also given. A club has 4 members and each one is paying 150. So in any situation 400 members into 150, it will be taken as a subscriptions. Now come to the solution. Few more adjustment is given here. Salary paid include 3,150 for the year 17 and 18 for the last year, and for the current year it is 4,250. 9%, most important thing, 9% investment were made on 30th November 18. The club had a similar investment of 8,000 at the beginning of the year. So again, depreciation furniture 10%. Before going to solve the questions or to discuss the answer, I would like to discuss these adjustment. Adjustment number 2, salaries paid included rupees 3,150 for the year. Whatever the salary you have paid 42,500. It includes the salary for the last year 3,150. So you need to deduct it, and salary for this year outstanding will be added here. So altogether the amount of salary is 43,000. 9% investment were made on 30th November. You have purchased an investment of 3,000 and you have already a balance of investment is 8,000. So total interest on investment is 810 rupees. You have to calculate. How will you calculate? 8,000 into 9 by 100, 720 rupees, and 3,000 into 9 by 100 into 4 by 12. Okay, so you will get the same amount, 810. Depreciation on furniture 10%, and furniture has actually been purchased on 1st October. So for 15,000 you need to depreciate furniture by 10%, because depreciation as instructed in the question, depreciation need not to be charged on furniture sold. So total depreciation on furniture is 750. Loss on sale of old furniture 300 rupees. So again you can see here 5,340 is the deficit. Okay, this is the amount of the deficit. Come to the next slide. It is the closing balance sheet is given. Before the closing, cash and bank balance 16,800. The closing balance given on payment side. Subscriptions receivable 10,800. How you have calculated? You have already received subscriptions 49,200, and you need there is 400 members and each one is paying 150, so total subscription will be 60,000. So the rest has been treated as 10,800 treated as outstanding. Furniture adjustment you can see here. Furniture opening balance was 800. You have added, you have purchased during the year 15,000, so total depreciation is so total furniture is 15,800 minus sold during the year is 800. So total amount is 15,000 less depreciation is, so the total depreciation, total furniture is 14,250. Investment 8,000 and purchase during the year is 3,000. So total amount of investment is 11,000. Accrued interest on investment 160. Outstanding salary for the current year 4,250. Donation received for a specific reason, so it will be treated as liabilities, and subscriptions received in advance 2,300. Now capital fund is given 8,850 and deficit is 5,340. Now come to the next, how we have calculated capital fund. You can see the opening balance of cash and bank balance is given 2,000. Subscriptions receivable 1,200. It is also given in the question. For the 2017 and 18, and furniture, obviously you have sold the furniture, so old furniture there. I have assumed that the furniture balance in the last year was 800, and investment is given in the equation 8,000. So total asset is 12,000 and outstanding salary 3,150. So the capital fund is 8,850. So in this manner we will prepare the question. Mainly income expenditure in last two years, income expenditure has been asked. One more thing, as I have given you time management for exam. You will get 3 hours and each hour carries 60 minutes, so total 180 minutes will be there. And the paper of accountancy is for 80 marks and 2 minutes for each marks, so total 160 minutes you will spend in a genuine case or in a general way. So balance remains is 20 minutes that you can use for your revision or any other purpose. So keep maintaining all these things. All the best wishes always.